So the last class I'm doing a sort process by using one predefined method sort. And this method introduced by Java 8 version method. This is actually 8 version. This is 8 version method. Whenever you take book details, roughly, if you take book details, this is book details. One minute. Hope you can understand. 2 minutes for my font problem is coming. Already I drawn many diagrams like this, just flower. Right. Here we are adding book details. Anyway, we are adding some book details. Whenever you are adding some book details here, book details is a plain objects only. They are not implemented from comparable. They are not linked to comparator also. They are not linked to comparator. They are not linked to comparable. It's a plain part. So they are here. They are here. Like this. They are on the array list anyway. Imagine it like this. This is the object form. Book details, imagine it. Whenever I want to do sorting here, I am doing AL dot sort of new sort by code. I'm creating object for sort by code. Whenever I'm creating object by sort by code here, sort by code is a child class of comparator, nothing but there is one link between these two is implements. This is parent, this is child. This parent is having one method known as compare. This parent is having one method known as compare. So inside this compare method, we had a logic. Inside this compare method, we had a logic here. So what is this logic means? Now actually whenever we create object for sort by code, the sort by code object like this, separate object. This is sort by code is a separate object. 0x some 3 4 roughly. This is sort by code. This is sort by code object. This object has one method, compare to. Compare OB1 comma OB2. This is compare. So how it compares means this one. Now this compare method should run. We are passing this compare method as parameter to sort. Compare method object as parameter to sort. This one. AL dot sort. So we are passing this AL dot sort. AL dot sort of 0x34. We are passing this address as a parameter. Means we are giving this information. We are giving the sort information. We are giving the sort information. Now this sort method will do merge sort only. When the user defined class objects are there, it does merge sort. Right? Okay. By seeing this AL dot sort, the method will run. How it runs means always it takes two objects as parameter. This one. This object will be loaded here. This object will be loaded here. Like this. It is comparing with these objects. It is comparing. It is comparing. So this one should be swapped, no? Right. I educated you. One is coming object, one is existing object. So this is existing object, this is coming object. Now coming object should be compared with existing object. So here coming object is 0x33. Imagine it. 0x33. Existing object is 0x22. Now coming object, existing object now. So what is the logic available here? Coming object. Here coming object, existing object. Coming object code here. B1 dot code, coming object. So B1 dot code means here, sir, B1 dot code. I'll write the codes. Here 121, 120 codes. Here 121, 120. 121, 120. Only codes. 121, 120 codes. Now 0x33 here. 0x33. 0x33 code means 120. Yes or no? Right, 120. 0x22 code means 121. So 120, 121 is comparing. How it compares now? 120. 120 equal to 121. False. 120 greater than 121. False. Then what will come now? -1. You know, when the -1 comes, swaps. So immediately that will be swapped. These two are swapped. You know that already. When these two are swapped now, next time again same process. Coming element should be compared with existing two elements. Understood now? So the sort method is running in the same process. Coming, comparing with existing. Here OB1, OB2. If we take the logic here now, internal logic here, this OB1 I'm converting into book details. OB2 I'm converting into book details. This is second object, this is third object. That's the meaning. Your intention is coming, comparing with the existing. That's the meaning. So this logic is same only. Now the same way, if you go for book my name, same logic. OB1, OB2. Suppose same objects are there now. Now not swapped. Imagine it. Now what are the names I given here now? One I given core Java, one I given advanced Java. Core Java, advanced Java. Sir, this is core Java. This is advanced Java. core Java, advanced Java. Core Java, advanced Java. Now look here. Here core Java, advanced Java, that should be swapped. No, A should come first or not now. Let us see what happens. Now same comparative method only. Same comparative method will be there. Same compare method. OB1, OB2. This is second, this is first. If you understand that, enough. So this one coming object, this is existing object. Coming object is what now? Advanced Java. Existing object is what now? Core Java. Okay, right. Now, see there, B1 dot name. B1 dot name means here, this is OB1, no, existing object. B1 dot name is existing object. This is core Java. This is advanced Java. So this is C, this is A, starting letters C and A. So here what will be the means? C is greater than A, no? Yes or no? Na? C is greater than A. ASCII value. C is greater than A. When C is greater than A now, see there. Here S1, here S2. Yes or no? Na? So here OB1, 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 advanced Java, I'll write here. If you don't write on here, mind is not working, right? Advanced Java. This is core Java. Here S1 is equal to advanced Java. S2 is equal to core Java. Now, S1 dot compare to actually. Now, S1 is less than Sj. Sorry, S1 is less than S2. Whenever S1 less than S2, negative will come. Negative. Already this information available in the string chapter already. If S1 is less than S2, negative will come. So actually Z got negative value. They are not equal. This is not 0. If S1 is greater than S2, Z will be positive. So it is not positive. So it comes as a negative because S1 is less than S2. Negative will come. S1 is less than S2. How S1 is less than S2 here? Sir, AJ. A ASCII value is 65. A, B, C means C's ASCII value is 68, I think. So this one is less than that one. Whenever less than that, it is swapped. So here, swapping with the name, they're swapping with the int because I took both. Write the logic. One with int, one with string. Two only will be there, numeric and string. So because I took both cases. If it is string comparison, we write compare to method here. If it is a numeric comparison, we write equal to directly. Because numeric means primitive. Primitive you can compare like this. Non-primitive you can compare like this. That's the point. So finally, internal support logic is same. Internal support logic is same process. Whenever -1 comes, the sorting works. Moreover, it is a merge sort only. Internally, the built-in sort methods which are working on user-defined class objects, they automatically activate merge sort. Merge means coming, compared with existing and swapped. If it is coming is greater than existing, it inserted beside it. Suppose coming is equal to existing, it inserts beside. If coming is less than existing, it inserts before. Total concept. The same process. Why they given comparator? Comparator advantage is you can sort based on individual fields. That option given. Comparable means you are taking only one. No, you are deciding only one. But here they given an option to you. Individually you can take it. If you want to sort it by code, you want to sort it by name, you want to sort it by price, you want to sort it by quantity, You can give a choice to the user and sort it. So if you want to sort by four subclasses, you have to take it. Like this, 4 subclasses you have to take it. The subclasses should be implemented by comparator and give the choice. They'll be sorted. That's the point. All of you understood the process, right? Okay, like this. Here, yesterday I added the program. Notes not added. Huh? How many notes is not added? Only yesterday not added. Huh? Okay. Example. Book details dot Java, sort by code dot Java, sort by name dot Java, demo list 2 dot Java, list sort 2 dot Java. This is one main class. Before sorting, sort by code, sort by name. Right, like this. Yesterday's code this is. I'll add in yesterday's notes. Is not added. Okay. So with this, what happened is your object-oriented flavor here. See there? Object definition, object creation, object location, object components. What object will hold? Object types, 7 types. Object serializable, converting the object into stream. Object collection means grouping objects together. Object locking, object cloning, object sorting. It is ended. This process is ended. Object oriented programming levels. These are the levels. This is object oriented levels, practical. So students should know practically this one. University means that one, abstraction, and that is university exam. 20 marks question is there, no, that one. Encapsulation, polymorphism, you'll write no question. That question is for your university, theoretical. So this is for practical. Every object-oriented programmer should know 10 levels from core Java. I have been done it. Whether you done or not, you can check it. Star mark. 11th will be there. Object holding database table data. This is JDBC. Advanced Java. Not in JDBC. Trainer will give anywhere. Part of Advanced Java, he will educate how object can hold database. This level is under advanced. You learn from there. So this all is under my control. Because they gives more time to me. When compared to other courses, core Java trainer will be given more time. Because 10 levels are under my control. One level is under advanced and one level is in ORM. ORM means object loading onto database. ORM, object relation mapping. If you are not clear in core Java, remaining you cannot understand properly. That's the reason actually. So this is the point. So to keep you in the order only, I moved this sorting to the ending and coming. I moved it. So I want to show that there are some levels available. Right. Okay. Now go for conclusion of methods. Remaining some methods are there. Let us conclude it. Okay, right. From set, some methods are there. That is add all, return all, remove all, and so on. Okay, right. Now see there. Some methods on set. Under collection, they are all rare methods. Set methods. I'm taking set methods. I'm taking. Import java.util. Minute. I'm taking one set here. You can take any set. Roughly, I'll take hash set and take integer. Right. HS1 is equal to new hash set of integer. Hash set, no, you can take anything. From your set, you can take anything, no restriction. You can see, no, right? For me, problem is there for me. Dot add new integer. When you're practicing, practice with objects only. Don't add normal values. Correct results will not come. You add objects only. Anyway, in real time, manual code will not be there. Manual means creating one list, adding will not be there. ORMs, object relation mapping tools will be there. Spring ORM, Spring Data, Spring JDBC, Hibernate with JPA. They are all known as ORMs. That ORMs outputs are collections. That inputs are collections. To understand that only this knowledge. Nobody will ask you to write array list. Nobody will ask. Collection framework is the background to your ORMs. Their codes will be there. Outputs list will come. Output set will come. Output map will come. What is that map? For understanding purpose, you are practicing. But your manual codes will not be there. Create one list, add data, not there. So ORM form will be there. All tools know for you. DevSecOps. All tools format is there for you. But outputs will be in the form of set. Their output will be set. Set means you must know what is set. For that, only this manual practice actually. When you're practicing in lab, you go with object creation only. Then correct results will come. Right. Anyway. Print ln hs1 dot to string. Some answer will come anyway. Okay, right. This is normal. Here some methods are there, no add all, remove all, something is there, no contain all. Okay, right. I'll take one more set. I'll take one more set. Just 16, 17, 18, 19. System dot out dot print ln. We are printing hs2. We are printing. So system dot out dot print ln hs2 dot to string. This is normal hs1, hs2. Add all method is there, no? Add all method. So hs1 dot add all of hs2. Adding. Add all means joining one set to another set. Adding all these to this one. That's the meaning of add all. Normal method only. Add all. Remove all. You can remove it. Always you have to practice add, remove first. When you're learning something, you must practice add, remove. These two operations first. Remaining will be rare operation. First adding, deleting. Any admin operation will be add, delete first. After that, set means modify. After that, get. How to get that element based on one object. These four operations mandatory. When you are learning any frameworks or anything, first you must know how to add. Next you must know how to remove. Next you must know how to change. Even that only, your database also that only. First create table, then insert data, then retrieve. Retrieve means showing. Then your teacher will train about set, changing, right? Update, he call it as update. Then delete, that only, total database, that only. Create, insert, retrieve, update, delete. For these 5 queries, why you are spending this much of time? That 5 only will be there. After that, theoretical, what is primary key, what is foreign key, what is candidate key, what is views, what is joins, then triggers, cursors in peerless scale over now. Yes or no, that only. So that you can clearly, if you learn it, clarity is there over. Clarity, right on the paper, this you learned it enough now. Because of no clarity, only goings are, completings are, attendings are. Who don't have a clarity, they'll be going on. What is needed, you learn it now, that only. Not sir, I'm going daily, sir. That is not important. How, what component you learned it. So that only. You take anything, that only will be there. That will insert, delete, update, and so on. Here also, when you are concentrating also, even you can see my program also. Set one program is there. First add, remove only. List, add, remove only. The 2 programs I kept. Then set, then map, add, remove. If you know this for enough, actually that only will be there. When you go for any project in your advanced Java, add element, add employee, delete employee. First that only. If not, see all employees. While you are seeing employees, put one condition. This only will be there. You take any website, that only will be there. You take Flipkart, login, see the products, select one product, buy one product, that only. All that only will be there. You take student database, add student, delete student. If not, edit student data, that only. You take any project, that only will be there. Minimum operations we say. Now I am doing remove system dot out dot print ln. I'll take it as remove all. Remove all. I will take it. Remove all. Now hs1 dot remove of hs2. After that, I'll print that hs. Okay. Okay. Remove all. See, their original came now. You can add one complete collection. You can remove complete collection. You can remove. Now, I'll take one more. I'll take one more. Right. HS3 now. right? I took one HS3. Your understanding now, when I'm typing, your understanding no, right? This is HS3. HS3 is having same elements, no, right? Okay. Now here one method is there. Contains all. Contains means one object checking actually, one object. Whether that object is available or not, contains 1 minute. System dot out dot println contains object. System dot out dot println ob hs. Where is that? hs1 dot hs1 dot contains of new integer of 12. One more is contains all of collection. Checking the collection contains all. hs1 dot here contains all of what now? hs3. Very good. hs3 and okay, right. Contains all. Yes, these are all rare methods I am using together. Okay, right. First, I don't want to. I completed the flow and cape, means major part I covered in cape. True and true, no. Means that element available means true element. One is contains, searching for single object. This is searching for selection of elements. All of you understood this, right? So add all, remove all, contains by object, contains all by collection, contains all by collection. So contains method, of course, remove you know already, contains all, add all, remove all. I done remove all, done it, right? Remove all, retain all is there, retain all. Okay, right. Now retain all. I'll take one more list. HS4, I will take it. I'll take 121, 131, 141, 151. This is HS4, 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 HS4. Now HS1 dot retain all of HS4. Already it is having the data already. Already data is there. 12, 13, 14, 15 data is there. I'm using retain all. Okay, right. I'm using retain all with new elements I'm writing. So system dot out dot println we had retain all some collection. All by collection. Retain all by collection. This is retain all by collection. Now system dot out dot println here HS1 I'm printing. After retaining, what happens? Right. HS1 dot retain of all. Suppose 13. 1 is 15. Retain all means looking for the common elements. According to set, they'll have operational intersections, something they'll use, mathematical people will use intersectioning elements or common elements. If anybody knows mathematics, you can do that. Okay, right. So retain means which elements are common, it is printing. All of understood this point now, which element is common, it is printing. So in the HS4, HS1, which one is the common elements, right? So retaining all means among that common will be displayed, right? Common elements are displayed. Common elements are displayed. Elements are displayed. All of you understood this, right? Okay, these are the methods. Anyway, size you know is empty, contains, add, remove, contains all, add all, retain all, remove all. Clear you know. It clears the list. If you write clear, all elements will go, especially iterate. This is array. Okay, right. This is array form, converting into array. This I'll do separately again, right? Okay, see there. Go for list, common methods list also. If we list now, size is empty, contains, add, remove, contains all, add all. Here, add all by int. You can understand, you can do, no problem. See there, add all by index. Only extra operation between set and list is list will have index based adding. Add all by index, remove all. Here retain all. Now you understood the same method, no? Here replace all. This method separately I'll do. Retain all. Here lambda will come. Retain all. Here clear. Now set, you know already. Get, set, add, remove. To find the index of one object, you can display index. Suppose two elements are there. Two elements are there means suppose two same elements. Suppose 12 is in the index 4. Same 12 is in index 11. Example. I want the last index of 12 means 11 will come. So understand this statement, right? 12 is because list will accept duplicate elements. When the list is accepting duplicate elements, suppose 12 is in index 4, 12 is in index 11, example. Now 12 is having two indexes, one is 4, one is 11. If I say last index of 12, 11 will come. If I say index of 12, 4 will come. So first index will come. This is last index will come. This is sublist. Sublist means you can take from one index value to another index value you can use. Just now I used sort method, no? Yes or no? Nah. I used sort method, iterator, list iterator, special iterator. These two are common methods, no? Here and there. Observed, right? Array, I'll do it. So what is the new method here means? One is replace all. It's going to replace all. One format is replace all. One format is sublist is there here, sublist. You can display sublist. List methods. Here I'll take array list. In the real time, whenever they ask you to take collection, you take array list. By default, take array list and work it. If anybody specifically says, I want vector, I want linked list, I want hash set, I want map, then you use it. Unless by default we use array list, because array list is the exact replacement of array. Wherever we use array in other languages, Java people will use array list. The array, because sir, I want to collect multiple elements or multiple products, means array list only. Specifically, your project says, no, I want vector for locking. I want unique value for set. I want primary key for map. They will not ask stack, they will not ask queue, because service engineers, they never write these two components. You will write array list by default. If a project specifies map, write map. If project specifies a set, write set. Unless always in your company, you write array list. They given, I want you to collect multiple objects and give the code they said. They're not given any specification. You write array list and send the code. If they want to change it again, mail will come. Please replace this array list with one vector form, they'll say. Then you replace vector when update it. No, they'll say, no, I want you to organize with the primary key. Then you take map. Like this, they'll give a specification. By default is array list. Always we work with, in advanced Java also, we work with array list only. Right. Anyway, AL dot add method is common anyway. Integer of AL dot toString. Like this. So sublist. Nothing but substring is there now for you. That only is sublist. Sublist. From index to index. Index to index. Sublist. Return type is what now? List, actually. You can take one list there. Array list. Integer of AL2 is equal to AL dot sub list from index value 1 to 0, 1, 2, 3. I will take it. It is asking me to take list only. List means parent. It is asking me to take list. Whenever you want to display, what is the easiest one for display? You know iterator, you know list iterator, you know enumeration. I given notes on enumeration, right? I written cursor statements notes. For me, short time memory loss will be there generally. So which one is easiest one now? For each. Okay, AL do not for each. Here, okay. Easy coding. In real time also code it and send it, no problem. Three and 4. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. You know the substring process now. If we give the last index minus 1 will come. Okay, right. Substring, you must know. Everybody should know substring. The last, sublist. That option is available for you, sublist. Just now I given a specific program on sort, I highlighted. because we are using nowadays this one. Where you will use it means HTML form is there now for you. HTML form. When the HTML form is there, I want to see all employees. Example. Okay, right. You will admin login actually. Example, you can design one application in advance. Sir, one admin software is there. Suppose you take Naresh IT, you take it. So Naresh IT employees will be there. Actually we employees are offline employees. Few teams are there. No, we are offline trainers. We are not online trainers. Frankly speaking, I am not online trainer. I am an offline trainer. Because of COVID, I became both trainer. So some people are there. So among these teams, we are there. You are Natras sir, Harikrishna sir, Gupta sir. Some people are there. No, we are all offline. Ladda sir, Vijay Kumar sir, we are all offline trainers, not online trainers. Because of COVID, this all attachment they done actually. So why I'm speaking that point means we people, what we do is we take this concept and we write it anyway. Now, what I'm speaking, I forget it actually. I'm trying to explain what I forget it. Short process. Designing application actually. There's a short-term memory loss. Gajini movie will be there, no? I don't. That application design is there, no? Because it's online people, this mind is going on. Because I'm sitting and training, no? Previously for us, diases are not there. Board will be there, actually. Now handwriting also done. Now, sort how many employees are there? These are all employees. Now we want to design one application for them. What you'll do now? First one, they'll add all employees first with all joining dates and types and so on. They'll add it. They'll create one database with all employee details. They'll create one database table. They'll call one Oracle related experts and they'll give them data for them and ask them to enter it. They'll enter total. Database will be ready. Total database tables, offline trainers, online trainers, experience, non-experience, 10 plus years, 5 plus years. Like this, they'll add some parameters, constraints, and they'll create one full-fledged database and they'll give it. Oracle duty is over. Now, server programmer will come, we people. So when the server programmer comes, we have to fetch them. Whenever we want to fetch them, we look for screens, front-end screens. Then we will give idea. I want this kind of screen. I want this kind of screen. They'll call UI engineers. UI engineer, you design what the developer needs. So I said one specification for them. I want one form home page. In that home page, I want 2 logins. One is employee login. One is employee admin login. So somebody will be the in charge for them, no, right? Admin login. Now Srikant sir is an admin login. So I am an employee login. 2 logins I want. Now UI engineer will create one good form and give it. Which one? Rich CSS, Angular, JavaScript, Node.js, whatever they had frameworks. The rich screen with the Naresh IT logo, scrolling, richness will come. The screen will come. In that home page option will be there. You are employer, admin. Suppose admin is there. He clicks admin. Whenever he click admin, you have to log in. So they prefer login. Login also, previously company will give IDs for them. You have to log in it. Login over. Now admin has options. What options means? I want to see the employees. View employees will be there. All employee list will be displayed. When all employee list is displayed now, he can see all employees will be displayed. All employees display came now. Now side by will give one control. The control is sort by. Will give one option. Down will give one scroll down. Design is then in your HTML scroll down selection. You call it as combo box, or I don't know, scroll down, what will you say? You click on that, their option will be there. You want to see offline trainers, online trainers. If not by year, joined by year, If not, you want to see the experience 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, options will be given. Suppose you selected, I want 3 years experience people. Now internally this sort method, I want to specify this sort. Here what options is there? What options you given? That option, each option, one subclass will come. Today demo I given, no, sort by code, sort by name there, sort by experience, sort by offline, sort by online. Options will be given. As a code writer, I will write all subclasses because they given a sort method in 8. This is the reason application. Now what you must do, sir, I learned sort method today, demo purpose, sort by code, sort by name. Daily I'm practicing, sir, different programs. But when I come to advanced Java, I cannot apply. Again, you fail, no. Actually, that is application. What you learned from me is not final. That is only concept. Again, you have to apply. Now, what I said is the application. If we can design one form, if an admin selects sort by option is there, he scroll down and selects experience by 2, experience by 3. If not, online trainers, offline trainers. If not, some other parameters. Parameters, they'll write it and give. Naresh will write parameters and give it. Based on parameters, we design and come. So there, this sort method is going to play a role. To highlight that, because I am also writing application in advance based on this. So sort the trains based on date. From date of journey will be there. No, based on date of journey, you can display the trains income. Based on your source and destination, you can display the trains income. Based on your timing, you can display the trains income. Like these options are available or not now. There, this sort method will help you, because I want to highlight this sort method because I written sorting, I written separately. Anyway, I done sort method on array. Yesterday I done it. Before that, I done sort method with tree set no already. Sort method with hash, what is that? Tree map. These two are already available. I can skip and come. If I don't write this method, how you will understand it is available? Example, if I want to close the course and go very fastly, if I don't write on this, how you will understand? Difference you're getting, no. If I want to close it, I can close and go, no. I only written and coming back or not now. So important methods we only will write and difference you're getting. If I don't open library, I will open. I am showing daily or not. I am only showing library. If I don't open library, you never open library. If I want to close the course bit early, I will never open library. You don't know what it contains. Difference getting or not now. So I only brought a sort method. I highlighted. I given a space also. Because if you write 10, 20 lines, student will not see. That one more psychology will be there. Because I only given a gap. So the student will see. I only given a gap. Student will see. I only given a gap. These are iteratives. This is special case. Anyway, converting into array, I'll do somewhere. All of you understood this sort method. Anyway, extra method available. Sort, everybody should remember, that is Java 8 method. Everybody, of course, retain all is there. Replace all separate, error will come. You must do separately that one. Okay, right. One more is that stream. I'll introduce that stream program. With that, I'll do. That's a plan. Anyway, time is there, no? Time is there or not there? Yes or no? Time is there. I'll write stream also. One program I'll write stream. For each method belongs to stream, not collection. Because they're not given nodes under iterative statements. Under iterative statements, I written 4 only. Iterator, list iterator, enumeration, special iterator. For each I not written. I written separately. For each comes under stream interface. The point. So these are the methods. What is pending here now? Replace all, and one is array conversion. Okay. I'll go back to Q. Q all will be there. Vector I used. Q is also used. Nothing is there. Map. Size is empty. This you can contains key, contains value, get, put all. Same method, no? Put all. You can add one more set to one more set. You can try it. Put all. This I used. For each I used. Here, okay. So these are the methods. What is pending means add, replace all. Replace all, array conversion. Okay. Right. Make it note some methods related to set and list. Under this, I written two programs no here. Set methods .java one program, list methods .java one program. These two programs I'll add there. You can cross check. Right, look here. I'll scroll back once now. See there. All are attending advanced Java, no? Right. Right. From my side, advanced Java not coming. Then they're not giving advanced Java to me at present. Right. Look here. If we take alphabets here, this one, programming components, any variables, methods, blocks, constructors, classes, interfaces, abstract classes, programming concepts, object-oriented programming, exception handling, multi-threading, Java collection framework, IO streams. This one needed conclusion. This only you're waiting conclusion generally. On that day, I done up to streams and came up to some part I done it. So two programs are pending there, right? One program with the character stream and one program with the network console. So these two are attached. We are going to conclude this. After concluding this, one class we do with the stream, we do. One program we do with the stream. Whenever I do the stream, there I'll use that two methods and show to you. That's a plan. Okay, right. Remaining okay. Right. Can I do this on next class? IO streams conclusion. I'll do this one. I stopped and came IO streams conclusion. Right. I'll do IO streams and files conclusion. I'll do. Right. This conclusion I'll do it on, what is the date today? 26, 27, 28. 28 is Monday, right? So we are doing on 29. So Monday, no class for you. We are doing on 29, 30, two classes. 29, half an hour conclusion. Nothing is there. We are repeating the IO stream and file. We are writing one program. There I'll show the diagram. I'll add one network program, network terminology, network program. With the total network will come. On Monday it will be concluded. Tuesday, one extra time for us. We use one extra part to stream one program. We use it and close it. Two sessions. Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, no class. Tuesday, Wednesday, two sessions. So notes I'll edit, and if anybody is pending, I'll edit it. I'm not finding time. So pending is there, especially your batch, more pending is there. I'll add all and come. I'll set it. So Monday, no class. The class is on Tuesday, Wednesday, two sessions. Take a break.